Hey J-Coders. In this video, we're going to go over the adapter design pattern. The adapter design pattern translates one interface into another. So for example, we had a, let's say, animal class, or animal-based class, called animal, and it expects a communicate method. We're going to have this method throw an error. Right, so whatever class extends this one will have to implement this communicate method. And let's say we have a bird class, so it's for default bird extends animal. And it has communicate method. And now let's say we bring in a new class called dog. It does not extend animal. And it has a bark method. Right, and now we want to be able to use this, following the same interface pattern that we've been using with bird. So in this case, what you would do is you create a dog adapter. All right, and what you do is you'll import a class that you want to use. And also import animal. And we'll just instantiate dog. And so we'll implement the communicate method as expected from the interface, and called bark. Right, so now we can use this. Like we would bird. So speed is equal to new bird, speed is equal to new dog adapter, and say if b instance of animal b dot communicate, because if it's an instance of animal, it definitely has a communicate method. We'll say if d instance of animal d dot communicate. All right, let's test this out. And it works. So that's how you use the adapter pattern to translate one interface to another. Let's say you are, you have a repository, a database, or an object that represents or allows for database operations, and you can plug in different kinds of databases like a SQL database or a Mongo database, and instead of having to rewrite a lot of the code, you end up creating an adapter that lets it work with the existing classes that you have. So that's how you use the adapter pattern. Next, we'll go over some real world scenarios where the adapter pattern might come in handy.